Good morning, guys. Okay, this is another year. Well, it's still the same year, but this is theory part. Okay, imagine this one coming out of the theory, which is indices here. Okay, so and like I said, that this is exponential function in indices. That's the last topic I treated in one of the parts in indices. Please, if you've not gone through it, if you want to understand it better clearly, please go through that particular part. Okay, so but in this case now, we are looking at this part, which says we have the solution here. So here you have 3, like I said, that before you cancel the base, I gave condition under this part for exponential. Okay, it's either you're looking for the power, or you're looking for the base. But in this case now, it's the power. Most times it's the power, but in JAMB you can see the base sometimes, so it's still the same method you will use. So don't forget, 9 is what? 3 raised to power 2. Okay, or let me first write the question so that you won't get confused that how did this person get 9. Okay, 1 plus x equals 27 minus x. So this is the same thing as saying 3 times 9 is 3 raised to power 2. 3 times 3, 9. Don't forget, in the part in the law of indices, I said you will ensure before you can pick one base, you understand, the base must be the same. Okay, that is what I'm working towards. So the base must be the same here. So 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. So this is something as 3 raised to power 3. Okay, minus x. Okay, it's as simple as that. So if you look at this very well, 3 times you multiply. Okay, so 2 times 1. 2 times 1, you have 2. Okay, 2 times 1, you have 2. 2 times x, you have what? 2x. Okay, what am I doing here? I'm multiplying the power, which is this 2, with this power. You understand? This one is 1 plus x. Okay, so it means that 2 times 1, 2. 2 times x, 2x. It's very simple. Just take your time. Now, you have this. This is 3. Look at this very well. 3 times x. Okay, you will still have your minus 3x. Don't forget, I've mentioned it in solve. Okay, that anything on the right hand side is the owner of the sign. This plus here, x is the owner of the sign. Okay, the same thing here, you still maintain. There's always plus in front of 3 here, but we don't write it. So plus times minus is minus. 3 times x is what? 3x. It's as simple as that. So you have that. Then at the end of the day, that implies, so don't forget now, we have power here, multiplication law in indices. Multiplication law in indices. What do? Pick one base, okay? Then add the power. So this is something as saying 1 plus 2 plus 2x. Very simple. What do? Pick one base, which is 3, because they are the same. If they are not the same, you can't do that. But since they are the same, because we've been able to factor it out from 9 and 27. 3 times 3 will give you 9. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. Okay, so that is why we raise this one 3 raised to power 3. So from here you have 3 raised to power minus 3x. Okay, it's as simple as that. It's not hard at all. So from here now, look at it. From the exponential law I mentioned in indices, 3 is here, 3 is here. I can cancel it. Okay, they are the same. I can cancel it. I'll bring down the power, which is 1 plus 2 plus 2x equals minus what? 3x. It's as simple as that. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. This one has no s, this one has no s. Add them together. For the one that has s, bring them together too. So 2x equals minus what? 3x. Now, there is x here, there is x here. But this plus, I've told you, anything on the right-hand side, the owner of the sign. The owner of this plus here is this 2x. I'm moving plus to the across equal sign. I've told you, if plus is crossing equal sign, it will change to what? Negative. So this is the same thing as what? Minus 3x minus what? 2x. So this plus here, plus 2x, this plus 2x is moving to this side. So it changed to what? Negative. Don't forget, when plus is crossing equal sign, it will change to negative. When negative is crossing equal sign, it will change to what? Positive. So at the end of the day, you have 3 equals minus 3x minus 2x is what? Minus 5x. As I've mentioned this on that sort of factorization, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 plus 2. I've mentioned that. Please go through them so that we won't have to be going back and forth. So now if you look at this very well, this there's minus 5 beside what? X. I will divide both sides. I'll divide both sides by minus 5. I want to get x because the question say find x. So minus 5 here, we cancel minus 5. Then now that implies that, so minus 5 we cancel minus 5. Then it means that my x equals minus 3 over 5. It's as simple as that. So you can see how simple it is now. Okay, so what I did here is that I divide through by minus 5. So that is what I did here. I divide through by minus 5 so that I can get my value of what? Of x. So it's as simple as that. Please continue to like, continue to share, okay, continue to invite your cousins, your nephews, so that they can benefit from this and see how simple this mathematics is. We are not rushing, we're taking it one after the other, so that at the end of the day, by the time they sit down and go through all these short presentations and short section and short part, they'll be able to understand clearly each topic. And then I can assure you that by the time we're done with all the topics, you will know that yes, you are very good at mathematics. As we are treating those topics, we're solving questions, we're treating them, we're solving questions, and we're moving forward, we're moving upward, and we're moving onward. So thank you very much, and God bless you.